In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Weebly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone looking to expand their online presence, Weebly offers a user-friendly platform to set up your store and begin selling your products. Let's go through the steps together, making sure you're well equipped to launch and manage your online store efficiently. First, head over to the Weebly homepage. You'll want to use their free website builder, an excellent tool for building a free website or online store. Once you're there, look for the login option, which you should find quite easily. Enter your email and password to access your Weebly account. If you haven't set one up yet, you might want to do so in advance because having a Weebly account is essential for utilizing their site building tools. After logging in successfully, click on the login button to proceed to the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the dashboard, navigate to the overview section. Here you'll get a complete glance at your website's performance and available features. It's always a smart move to familiarize yourself with this section, as it provides valuable insights into your store's functionality. Next, direct your attention to the My Website drop-down icon. Clicking on this will show you a list of your websites. Choose your website or store from the list, which will take you to your store's site. Once you're on your store site, look for the Add Item button. It's time to populate your online store with products. Click the Create New Item option. This will open up a new page where you can start adding your products. You'll see an option to change the type of item you're adding. Make sure you select the appropriate product type. Selecting the right category ensures that customers find what they're looking for without any hassle. Now let's focus on the visuals, an integral part of any online shopping experience. Click or drag to upload an image of the product you're selling. Make sure it's high quality and truly represents your product's essence. Follow this by adding a standout title and a competitive price. Your title should be clear and catchy, while your price needs to be well researched based on your target market. Next, add a thorough description of your product. This should include any essential details like size, material, and unique features, anything a customer might need to know before making a purchase. Click on Visible to ensure your product is easily discoverable by shoppers. It's vital for visibility and boosting sales. Choose a fulfillment method that suits the nature of your business, and don't forget to add a SKU number for inventory tracking. If needed, take a moment to optimize your product listing. Once everything looks perfect, click Save to confirm your additions. With these steps complete, you now have a product listed and ready to sell. And that's it, you've successfully set up a product for sale on Weebly. Keep practicing and experimenting with different product listings to keep your store fresh and appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Weebly.